If you are welder, you know welder inside is. If you are those people who used to do with iron, this video is for you and you must share this video. They say one man where they work gate na so Nigeria army just carry pipe run bam come give the man say make him cut the pipe for them. I believe say they go operation go see pipe na they no know say no bunigwe na so they carry this pipe come give this man say make the man cut am. As the man just one person wey come notice say that pipe be like say this thing na bombo, na the man say no go do. No, say some people e get people wey be say asabi do. That asabi do one now go carry the pipe keep am put filing machine na so the thing spark boom. Carry first gate, second gate, everything yakata for down. This thing happened few months ago. But why they bring this video be say I no quickly see am. And they bring am, make my people dey very careful. Just watch the video. Dey very careful. Wetin person they carry come for your shop say may help and repair or do this thing. That is Dey very careful. I'll play the video, may you watch, and before we come back and jump for another update. Stay tuned. A lot of story day here today. Please go and follow my Facebook page. It's a new page called Blãst Vlog. Follow that page and turn your notification bell for that so you can get our updates back to back immediately. Now watch the video I want to show you.
Yeah, ihe mere na ogbo osisi this evening. Timber market olo. Onye amị butere onye welder Bømb ka ọ kọtụsịara ya. Nọ ga-ahụ ihe ogologo tọgbọsịrị ebe ahụ. Onye nke izizi ya anaghị akọtụ na ihe a yiri Bømb. Onye nke abụọ eburu dosa onye amị dọwara ya pụọ. Onye amaghị ma onye amị ma onye Boko Haram baigara ha n'ime. Nwoke ewerenụ ka ọ tinye ihe ọkụ o ji akọtụ ihe waya emetụ na detin ilukara pịakara. Ị ga-ahụ street light ọkụrụ bend ya pịajie first gate cross road mebikwa the second gate. Unu ga-ahụ si gate o mebisiri just Bømb ofu ka aka na-aka ọtọ bụghị ofu, ọ dị about 3 ofu mere ihe a ndị nke ọzọ ka tọgbọ ebe ahụ editonate bụ ya. Ndị be anyị dịkwa careful biko nọ.
Onye a nwere lọk o nwere wa Bømb a na-ekarị ịgbagbu ya ọnwụọ. Onye nke mbụ jụrụ ajụ onye ajụjụ jewezie kọt. Ndị ara na-echekwa ndị terrorist ndị Boko Haram yi uniform n'ọlụ. Ọ karị ịgbagbu ya ka ọ nwụọ. Chineke bụkwa ya ọnụ. Mad people everywhere.
Oh, see if we have a kind to get in there. Yeah, was I on the middle of the thing? That's a mad in there. I'm also mad at
my people, and I don't see him, so be very careful in case of person carry anything, can't give you for a shop, say may help you lose them. If you don't know him, ask question. You see, the first person say no, you don't want to. If like say no this thing, the other one wait to asabi, you need money, see military, see army pepping, you want go do the work. So this message now for those people they do asabi for inside Igbo land. Say the people where they talk say one day our own, no, you sabi pass them. This message now for you. So let us go and look wetin happen between Peter Obi and his followers. And all Igbos all over the world don't come give Peter Obi back to back. Say why him go they wish Gowon and writing all the whole sweet message when they write for Gowon for him birthday as he buy millions of Igbo during the Biafran war. Let me play the video and see what our sister talk before we come back and continue. That's why I say me no go anywhere. A lot of story they here today to share.
Peter Obi must understand one single fact. We shall never forgive. nor forget the people who aided and abetted the massacring of over 3.5 million innocent Igbos to satisfy their selfish desire. If the reason or reasons why Peter Obi is celebrating General Yakubu Gowon now is for Nigeria to be better, to hell with all of you, and that's better Nigeria. If the reason why Peter Obi is praising Yakubu Gowon, eulogizing him, is for Igbo man to become the president of Nigeria, to hell with all of you and that Igbo presidency. The Igbos are not for sale. We are not axe lickers. We can never go back to our vomit. We can never praise our enemy. General Yakubu Gowon is a genocidist and a war criminal. That is who he is, and he will forever remain in that position. Thank you for joining me today.
There will be a point of time in this life. It's all those people will commit all this thing against the Biafran people. Even though you don't buy, we go comot you, bring you, make sure say witness say your bone crush. It go happen for Nigeria. It is not gonna happen. It go happen. It go happen. It go happen. I don't want to give this secret out, but warriors are coming. When I mean warriors, not everybody you are hearing now. There is warriors that is coming. They are coming. When they will come, Elon Musk, you say this Elon Musk are building. Elon Musk na gonna run. What they are coming back with, this technology, the world never see it. So those of you who sit down for office now, they oppress the Biafran people. A time will come, they will identify all of you. No wahala. May those people who buy during the war, may them rest in peace. Go on. You go rest in peace, but you no go rest finish. You must answer this question, even though when you buy, Buhari them, Obasanjo them, all of you people, we know you. We'll bring you where they keep you. You will answer the question. The time is coming very close. So my people, let us jump and hear waiting our brother tell Nigerian government say may they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ikenge ndị Igbo. Watch this video.
Kedu maka dokubo bule egbe threaten ye Igbo bubute egbe na abia n'anya okeke na afia okoye na afia omokwonu ni ihe mere so ndị Igbo omokwonu ni ihe mere dokubo onwe ihe mere ya o weluru ụbọchị a aka na-ekwukwa okwu nke bụ nwanne m obi dokubo pụta face to face si na ya fere helicopter ka ọ na-agbagharị bịa na helicopter na-agbagharị bịa na ndị gọọmenti na ndị Nigeria man ya dị capable to ịgbatu helicopter a dokubo ya onwe ha onye kpọrọ ya kedu ne nwanne anyị Igbo ya na-agbajikwa ọgụ nwanne kedu ne nwanne anyị onwe ha onye kwuru okwu na-enu taa bụ Monde ndị Igbo na-eji azụ ahịa na ekata dị apụta na-asị ndị mmadụ pụta ahịa pụta na ahịa pụta na ahịa pụta na ahịa onye ihu pụta ahịa onye azụ pụta ahịa onye apụta ahịa ya eje kpọchie chọpụ ị na-akpọchi chọpụ onye na-abịaghị ahịa ndị agbọgbugwola agbọgbu na mapụta bịa chọpụ onwe na onye ndị gọọmenti jere kọmpaseti ya ezinụlọ ya ka njụa m ụnụ o nwere ibe anyị mere ụnọ o nwere ibe anyị mere ụnọ si jebe Abuja jikọta n'ọnụ si jebe Abuja si je atọhapụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka ọ na-arụ onwe ya si je atọhapụ ya ka ọ na-arụ onwe ya ndị polisi mgbagbu ndị amị mgbagbu onye ejide na-agbagbu ndị yutu Igbo a na-agbaba n'ike n'ike federal gọọmenti ha ekwughị okwu onwe ha onye kwuru okwu onwe ha onye here ọnụ onwe ha onye chọrọ ka ama ibe eji eme ya ka ọ dị mma obodo na-agbakwa gharaghara ana Igbo na-agba gharaghara hapụ n'ụlọ nwa bịara ụwa ka ọ na-arụ onwe ya eji egbu dị mmadụ igbu eziokwu ya eji etigbu mmadụ isi na ya ebezi n'akwa arịrị na-egbu m anya mmiri na-agba m n'anya anya mmiri na-agba m ha na-anụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka ọ nabara onwe ya so ndị Igbo ha na-akpagharị onwe ha onye jichirie aya udo ohu.
Simon Ekpa and Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is not the main reason of sit at home. In fact, they are not the people who instigate sit at home in Southeast. I just want you to watch this video and tell me what you really understand in this particular video.
Part of the security challenges we are having in the Southeast are sponsored by external forces. I want to give an example. For example, you remember when the Owerri Correctional Center was invaded, for almost 3 hours, Owerri Correctional Center is a shouting distance from the State Police Command, equally a government house, about 10-minute drive from military base Obins. But the so-called unknown gunmen operated for close to 3 hours and no person was arrested.
But that's not unique to the Southeast.
It is.
Well, it isn't.
Because
I mean, there have been a lot of incidents in other parts of Nigeria,
yes,
including the north, where Boko Haram operate and bandits operate, where people have told the same stories that you're telling.
No, that of the Southeast is peculiar because Igbos generally are noted for non-violence. Igbos don't believe in violence. Traditionally, Igbos don't believe in violence. And even IPOB has repeatedly denied that they have no hand in this sit at home.
Yeah, but you said it was Simon Ekpa.
Although
Simon Ekpa came out and said he didn't ask anybody to stay at home.
He has also denied that.
Yeah.
He has also denied that. People said. But even Simon Ekpa has denied that. Nnamdi Kanu has repeatedly said that his hands are not in this sit at home. His colleagues in Apple have also repeatedly come out and said this. And we put it back to federal government to arrest the perpetrators of this insecurity in the Southeast.
Yes, there's people who don't want to see Southeast to go forward. There's people who always want to see Southeast to be stagnant, but just that the people there are very strong. Upon what is happening, you have not seen people coming out crying, saying, oh, hunger they kill us. But where they say they help powers, now their hunger they kill them powers. So if the people of Southeast are not strong, things have been worse for us, but God is keeping us and making us to be more stronger. My people, now so it be, now say my bring and control. So the people where they bring this insecurity for Southeast, now those people where they for up, and I know them. But let me tell you people, your time is very close. Like I said before, that the engines are coming. The people that will bring technology people have not seen, they are coming. So keep oppressing the Igbos and keep oppressing the Biafrans. The Messiah are very close. When you are busy fighting Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa, why some people have busy invested billions to be more what, as in something you never imagined in this life. They are coming very closer. I'm giving people the expo. So keep your operation, keep keeping Nigeria as one. Don't listen to the cry of the people. You love the country much, you will die for the country. Then keep keeping the country. When those people arrive, you people will understand that. Remember that one Nnamdi Kanu also says that people are coming, you people take his joking. ESN come and you are running around. These people we are seeing now, they don't even need to come and you don't even need to see themselves. But things will be happening. You'll be surprised what is going on in this country. Things will be happening. So they are very close. My people, share this video and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates. When that time comes, we'll still tell you, say, Siam, we'll tell when I say these people, they come and they don't reach. So, not be people where you need to see with your physical eyes. But they are coming with heavy technology that the world have not even seen before. Share the video, you get why.